Hey Diana, look, someone broke letter B. Everything's fine. This is the letter that we use in Russian to represent the same sound B, like in bank. So that means bananas is spelled with B in Russian? Exactly. Banan. And the same with the word for blouse. Блузка. And the water bottle? Бутылка. Okay, and how do I write it?
Go down, a little loop on the left, a bigger one on the right, a line above it, and this is the lowercase b, and this is how you connect it to other letters when you write by hand. These days, most people use technology and type, but when we write by hand, we usually use cursive.
Okay, but if this is B, then what is this? I'll tell you tomorrow.